Showing you guys how to make pull-apart cheesy stuffed garlic bread. The things you're going to need for this is a block of mozzarella cheese, pizza dough, two cloves of garlic, half a pound of butter, chives, parsley, and a bag of shredded mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. First, you grab your block of mozzarella cheese and cut it into small cubes. Then grab your pizza dough with a little bit of flour and form your pizza dough into small balls. Next, put your cubes of mozzarella cheese into the dough. Then grab a sheet pan, pour melted butter on it, and place your dough onto the sheet pan. Then grab your 2 garlic cloves and cut the tips off. Then put the garlic into aluminum foil with a knob of butter, wrap it, and put it into the oven on 450 for a half an hour. Now for the sauce, grab your butter, chives, and parsley, put it into a measuring cup, then put the dough into the oven for 10 minutes. Now take the garlic out of the oven, squeeze the garlic into the measuring cup with a little bit of salt, then mix it until soft and chunky. Your shredded mozzarella and Parmesan cheese onto the garlic bread. Then put it back into the oven for 10 more minutes. Once it's done, let it cool off and enjoy. So I've showed you guys how to make pulled apart cheesy stuffed garlic bread. We grabbed our block of mozzarella cheese and cut it into small cubes. Then we grabbed the pizza dough with a little bit of flour and formed it into small balls. You put the cubes of mozzarella into the dough. You grabbed a sheet pan, poured the melted butter onto it, and the stuffed dough onto the pan. We also grabbed the 2 garlic cloves and cut the tips off. We also put the garlic into aluminum foil with a knob of butter, wrapped it, and put it into the oven on 450 for a half an hour. Then we made the sauce of the butter, chives, and parsley and put it into a measuring cup. We put the dough into the oven for 10 minutes. We took the garlic out of the oven, squeezed the garlic into the measuring cup with a little bit of salt. We mixed it until soft and chunky. We took the dough out of the oven and covered the garlic bread with the sauce. We put the shredded cheese onto the dough. We put the dough back into the oven for 10 more minutes. Now enjoy your bread.